Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. So beta today in this lecture we will see the exercise of this lesson. Okay, yes. So you all are ready? Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so think and write. Okay, now beta as you can see here so many questions as given here, right? Yes. So now here what you have to do? So you have to give the answer of these all questions. Okay. Yes. So now let's see one by one. Okay. So question number 1, why did the crow need a pot? Okay, so why did the crow need a pot? What is our answer? So we know very well that crow needed a pot to get water from the well, right? Yes. So beta you got it. Number 1, why did the crow needed a pot? So crow needed a pot to get water from the well, right? Yes. So now question number 2, who all helped the crow to make the pot? Okay, so beta who all helped the crow to make the pot? So what is our answer? So we know very well now कि blacksmith, field, cow, dog, deer and timba. Okay, they help the crow to make the pot, है ना? Yes. Okay, so you got it. Number 2. Okay, now number 3, what things did the potter need? Okay, so what things did the potter need, beta? So what is our answer? So our answer is potter needed clay to make a pot. Okay, yes. So what is our answer? Potter needed clay to make a pot. Okay, so beta you got it. Number 3. Okay, now number 4, are there utensils made of clay in your house? Which are these? Okay, yes. So beta here was what is asking to you? So here asking to you कि are there utensils made of clay in your house? क्या आपके घर में कोई ऐसी चीज है, ऐसी थिंग है, ऐसा कोई यूटेंसिल है जो कि आपके घर में जो कि क्ले का बना हो? विच आर दीज? ओके, सो हियर बेटा यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द नेम्स. ओके, वॉट एवर जो भी आपके घर में कोई भी थिंग्स हो जो कि क्ले से बनी हुई. ओके, so here you have to write the name only. Okay, so you got it what you have to do here. Okay, fine. So now next, now here what is written here? One more thing, one more line that is written here, that is if someone gives you clay, will you be able to make some utensils from it? So here beta what is asking to you, what is saying to you कि if anyone, if someone gives you clay, okay, अगर कोई भी आपको थोड़ा clay देता है, clay देता है, so will you be able to make some utensils from it? So आप क्या वो clay की help से कोई भी utensils बना सकते हो? So beta if yes, so you have to say here yes. If no, then you have to say here no. Okay, yes. Now let's see some activity that is given here. So let's see which activities are given here. Okay, yes. Wait just 1 minute. Okay, so here beta one activity that is given here. So let's see what is the activity. So a bowl from a ball of clay. Yes, now here which activity is this? So a bowl from a ball of clay. Okay, here you have to make a bowl. Okay, from a ball of clay. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे clay के एक ball से you have to make one bowl here. Okay, so now let's see कि how we will make a bowl from a ball of clay. Okay, yes, and how you will make, right? Yes, so now let's see. And बेटा this activity you have to do at home, right? ये activity आपको घर पर भी करनी है. Okay, so now let's see how we make a bowl from a ball of clay. So let's see, needed clay and make a big ball. Okay, yes, now हमें थोड़ा सा here we needed some clay. Okay, to make a big ball, right? So हमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा clay चाहिए होगा. clay हम लेंगे and उससे एक big ball बनाएंगे, right? Yes, using your thumb make a small pit in the center by pressing so that it looks like a bowl. Yes, now after that, after taking a big ball of clay, what you have to do? You have to make a small pit, okay, in the center, right? With the help of your thumb you have to make a small pit in the center by pressing your thumb, right? आपके thumb को ऐसे press करते करते ये जो आप ये जो बॉल लोगे, आप ये जो क्ले का बॉल लोगे उसको बिल्कुल सेंटर में आपको थंब से प्रेस करते करते एक क्या बनाना है, आपको उसको प्रेस करते जाओगे. सो एक क्या बन जाएगा? बाउल की तरह एक बन जाएगा, राइट. लीव इट टू ड्राई एंड देन डेकोरेट इट. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू लीव इट फॉर द ड्राई. ओके, आपको ड्राई होने के लिए उसको छोड़ देना है. You can put things you like in this bowl. Okay, after that you can put the things, any things आपको जो भी अच्छी लगे in this bowl. Okay, so you got it beta, how to make a bowl from a ball of clay. Got this activity? Okay, so you have to also do this activity at your home. Okay, yes. So now on next page. Okay, so now second activity. Okay, so now let's see how you have to do this activity at home. Okay, so let's see. So our second activity is a bowl from a roll of clay. Yes, now beta you have to make a bowl by rolling the clay. Okay, yes. So now let's see how you will do it. How you will do this. Okay, yes. So needed some clay with water. Yes. So first of all you have to take some clay with the water. After that what you have to do, so keep aside some clay mixed with water. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to keep some clay. आपको कुछ clay को side में रख देना है और उसमें आपको क्या करना है, water को mix कर देना है. Okay, yes. This will serve as glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. Yes, and you have to use this as a glue. Okay, आपको ये जो है इसको glue की तरह use करना है. Glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. Okay, yes. Now let's see after that what you have to do. So take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati. Okay, now you have to take some clay, you have to take some part of the kneaded clay, you have to take some part of clay and roll it like a thick chapati. Okay, now you have to roll it, okay, like a thick chapati. Okay, yes. So after that let's see what you have to do. So this will be the base of the bowl. Okay, yes. And you know ये जो आप thick चपाती की तरह जिसको roll करोगे, that will be the base of bowl. Okay, yes. Roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snack. Yes, now what you have to do, you have to roll this clay like a snack, as you can see in the picture, right? Yes. Fix the snack shaped clay on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. Yes, now what you have to do, you have to fix the snack shaped clay, okay, on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. Yes, now उसका जो base है उसके ऊपर जो आप जो snack की तरह आपने जो लिया है उसके base के ऊपर आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो snack की तरह उसको ऐसे round करते जाना है. Okay, as shown in the picture. Okay, you can see here in this picture, right? Yes, so first you have to, so beta in this activity you have to make first the base of bowl, right, like a thick chapati. After that you have to take some clay and roll it. Okay, आपको उसको roll करना है and after that आपको ऐसे round करते you have to make a bowl. Okay, by rolling a clay as you can see here in the picture, right? So beta you got it how to do this activity. Okay, so this activity also you have to do at your home. Okay, now so now next is think and write. Okay, yes. So a pot from a chapati of clay. Yes, now here what you have to do beta, you have to make a pot, a chapati of clay, right? Yes. Now look at the picture and make a pot. Now here what is saying to you, okay, look at this picture, look at the picture and make a pot. Okay, yes, as given here, as shown here in the picture, right? Yes, आपको एक ऐसा pot बनाना है जैसा कि यहाँ पे picture में दिया हुआ है. Okay, now beta here some questions that is asking to you. Okay, so some questions as given here, so we have to give the answer of these all questions. Okay, so first question is, what will happen if you store water in these pots overnight? Yes, now here what is asking to you, here asking to you कि what will happen if you store water in these pots overnight, right? ये जो pots, जो पहले तो आपको यहाँ पर pot बनाने के लिए बोला है, right? After that आपको ऐसा वो बोल रहे हैं कि क्या होगा अगर ये जो pot है अगर आप इसमें पूरी रात अगर आप water रखोगे. So बेटा what will happen if we will store water in these pots overnight? So we know very well ना कि it will dissolve, है ना, ये जो है वो dissolve हो जाएगा. जो क्ले है, जो वाटर है, राइट, वो दोनों एक दूसरे में मिल जाएंगे, एक दूसरे में डिसोल्व हो जाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज वी नो वेरी वेल, क्यों ये डिजोल्व हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज वी नो वेरी वेल बेटा कि अब ये जो ब्रिक्स होते हैं, राइट, जो ब्रिक्स होते हैं वो भी तो क्ले के ही बनते हैं ना, बट उसको बनाने के बाद जो ब्रिक्स होते हैं पहले वो क्ले से बनाए जाते हैं, आफ्टर दैट जो किल्न होते हैं, राइट, जो भट्टी होती है, किल्न में उसको क्या किया जाता है, जो ब्रिक्स होते हैं उनको बैग्ड किया जाता है, राइट। यस, सो सेम प्रोसेस पॉट्स में भी होती है, राइट। पहले ये जो पॉट्स है उनको बनाया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्ले, आफ्टर दैट इनको भी बैग्ड किया जाता है ना। यस, सो अगर हम डायरेक्टली उसका यूज करते बिना बैग्ड किए उसका यूज करेंगे, सो वी नो वेरी वेल कि व्हाट विल हैपन, राइट, इट विल डिसॉल्व, है ना। अगर हम ये जो पॉट है उसको बिना बैग्ड किए उसमें वाटर हम रखेंगे तो क्या होगा, जो वाटर है जो क्ले है वो दोनों एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जाएंगे, है ना। यस, सो इट वाज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कि इट विल डिसॉल्व, राइट। यस, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, we often keep water in a clay pot at home or in the school. Why do these pots not get spoiled by the water? Yes, हमारे घर पर, हमारे स्कूल में, राइट, बहुत सारी थिंग्स होती है जो कि क्ले की बनी होती है, बट ये जो पॉट्स होते हैं, राइट, तो ये जो बहुत सारे पॉट्स होते हैं, जो बहुत सारे पोर्ट्स होते हैं ना हमारे घर पे, हमारे स्कूल पे, तो ये क्यों एक दूसरे में स्पॉइल नहीं होते, एक दूसरे में मिल नहीं जाते? सो व्हाट इज अवर आंसर बेटा? सो वी नो वेरी वेल, बिकॉज ये बैग्ड होते हैं, राइट। यस, बिकॉज दीज पॉट्स आर बैग्ड इन किल्न, राइट, क्योंकि ये जो सारे पॉट्स है वो किल्न में ऑलरेडी बैग्ड होते हैं, दैट इज वाई वो स्पॉइल्ड नहीं होते हैं वाटर में, है ना। यस, सो इट वाज द आंसर ऑफ आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Okay, so now next question, that is question number 3. So have you ever seen bricks or pots being bagged in a kiln? Now beta, here what is asking to you, here asking to you कि have you ever seen bricks or pots being bagged in a kiln? क्या आपने कभी किल्न में जो bricks होते हैं, जो पॉट्स होते हैं, उनको कभी बैग्ड होते हुए देखा है? सो बेटा, इफ यू हैव एवर सीन, सो अगर आपने कभी भी देखा है, सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट यस, और अगर आपने नहीं देखा है सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर नो. ओके, सो यू गॉट इट. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज. Okay, so now next question, that is question number 4. So let's see what is our question. So long ago, when people did not have any pots, what did those people do? Yes, now beta, here what is asking to you, here asking to you कि long ago when people did not have any pots, okay, on that time what did those people do? पहले बहुत टाइम पहले जब ये pots नहीं होते थे, okay, तो उस टाइम पे जो पीपल थे, जो लोग थे, वो क्या करते थे, क्या करते थे, राइट। सो बेटा, पहले के टाइम में जब पॉट्स नहीं होते थे, राइट, ये जो क्ले वाले पॉट्स नहीं होते थे, तो ऑन दैट टाइम जो जो लोग थे, ओके, सो वो वुडन, बम्बू एंड स्टोन, ये सारे इन सब से बने हुए पोट्स वो यूज करते थे, ओके, कोई भी सामान रखने के लिए, वाटर रखने के लिए, ओके। Okay, so beta, our answer is कि long ago people used wooden, bamboo or stone pots when they did not have pots, okay, when they did not have any pots, right. Okay, so beta, you got it, number 4. Okay, so now next is, that is one activity, so let's see that. Okay, so think and write. Now imagine one day all the pots disappear from the world. What will happen in your house? Yes, now beta, here what is saying to us कि imagine, okay, imagine if one day all the pots disappear from the world, okay, वर्ल्ड में से सारे पॉट्स गायब हो जाएंगे, सारे पॉट्स, एक भी पॉट्स नहीं रहेंगे, ऑन दैट टाइम, ऑन दैट डे what will happen in your house? Okay, so what will happen beta? What is our answer? Okay, so beta, what happened on that day? If one day, pots will disappear, okay, so on that day what will happen? So we know very well कि our life will be in trouble, है ना. yes, हमारी जो लाइफ है वो बहुत ट्रबल हो जाएगा, हमारी लाइफ में बहुत ट्रबल हो जाएगा, और हमें कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होगी, राइट. हियर, सो बेटा, हियर यू कैन राइट एनी थिंग्स, हियर सो मैनी स्पेसेस हैज गिवन हियर, राइट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आपका यहाँ पे जो भी आंसर हो, यू कैन राइट हियर कि व्हाट विल हैपन ऑन दैट डे, ओके. yes, so now beta, here ये जो हमारा लेसन है, लेसन नंबर 15, वो यहाँ पर फिनिश होता है। आई होप कि आपको अच्छे से एंड इजीली समझ में आया हो। सो थैंक यू, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी।